Rustic Lumber Store and Zack.
Hey everyone.
We're on our way out to Milwaukee to pick up our epoxy. Zack, can you tell us a little bit more about the epoxy?
Yeah, so we're heading out to Milwaukee. We contracted with the manufacturer, so we got 3 pounds of epoxy. But on our way there, we got a couple of slabs that I sold last moment. 2 big monkey pod slabs we're delivering to a fellow woodworker in Chicago. And then I have 1 finished cookie slab that we're delivering just to a customer not far away in Chicago. And that client, she just found us through our Instagram, and originally we were going to ship it, but as it turns out we're driving right by her place, so we're going to drop that off. And then I have another cookie that on our way home. We're going through somewhere in northeast Iowa. We're actually driving right through it. Another woodworker, he bought a cookie, so we're going to drop it off there. So first thing we're going to hit is Chicago, and tomorrow morning we'll stop in Milwaukee, load up our resin, and head on home.
So we're at a McDonald's to pick something up to eat, but the lobby's closed because they don't have enough workers inside. However, we got like 5 old timers in here just hanging out.
All right, here we are. Not what I was expecting to get to Chicago. I thought it was going to be like, I didn't think we were going to be on the outskirts, like in the super suburbs like this place.
I thought we were going into the city, but
yeah.
This looks like home.
Yeah, it does. Let's see. That doesn't give me an address. We'll be pulling right here. Figure this out real quick.
And then you make a right-hand turn. Yeah, I see your white van from my house. So just make a right.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. I see ya.
I'm out front. All right, good deal.
Thanks. Bye. Found it.
GPS took us to the wrong house,
Yeah.
and now we're actually here.
All right, so we're here in Chicago. Got our monkey pods dropped off. Ben with Chef the Table, right? Yep. Chef the Table. So we got here the 2 monkey pod slabs we hauled in, and look at the stuff he has. Like, look at these drip slabs, like amazing. Look at the size of those. So he has some pretty sweet stuff in here going on.
Alright, we're at Gus's world famous fried chicken. I guess I've never heard of it, so I don't know, but it's world famous, so we'll give that a try here.
Hey everybody.
Morning, how you doing?
All right, so we are out, or we're on our way out of Chicago and on our way to Milwaukee.
Yep, so we're trying to get through this traffic, and it's probably not even that bad of traffic really, but
Yeah, right?
it's enough people around. It took a while to even find our parking spot. Wasn't sure where we got one to, and then the freaking parking gate wouldn't work, and had to call someone from who knows where at to finally open the gate for us.
Yeah. So we're getting ready to leave Chicago here. We're in downtown and made the mistake of not pinpointing where the hell I parked the van at. And I'm probably nowhere nearby. Keep, I guess, going to every parking lot Google says that's around here until I remember which one it was. All right, so we found the van, thankfully. And it's still here. Didn't get towed away by the parking lot.
So yeah, got about a 2-hour trip now.
Thanks again, Ben.
Been at Chef the Table here in Chicago.
He got us a room last minute. Shout out to Gus's Fried Chicken.
Yeah.
Famous fried chicken.
Yeah, world's famous.
World's famous. So that's really flavorful. Really makes it feel like a cookout. So it was good. We'll keep you guys updated when we get to Milwaukee.
Wait a minute.
right.
Yep, we're all loaded up back here. We got all of the majority of these boxes are all deep pour kits. We're all loaded up. We're in Milwaukee, just headed our way back. We're gonna stop in Iowa to meet up with another woodworker. We got a wood slab to drop off to him. And yeah, it'll be a late night, but we're gonna get back to Louisville or in Omaha this evening. And tomorrow we got tables ready to go. We're gonna have a sale on it too, so
yeah, if there's a code, we'll have it somewhere along here, so that way you guys can just take advantage of that.
Yeah, so stay tuned. It's a really great product. We're excited to get it out in as many hands as we can for you all to try it out, and I know you're gonna like it as too.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen.
This is the end.
Yep, we just left Dubuque, met with Joseph with New Earth Woodworking, really cool guy. Dropped off some slabs and talked him into buying a few charcuterie boards, but just a really cool, down to earth guy, and had a nice visit with him. Actually, did a little interview with him. There's another video you can see on our channel.
Yeah, we'll try to have that somewhere, notification in here.
Yeah, so be sure to watch that video, just a short interview. Check him out. He's on Instagram and Facebook under New Earth Woodworking. So we just got done there. We're back on the highway. We got about 5 hours to get to Omaha, so it'll be roughly 9 o'clock by the time we get back. But
Something like that, yeah.
I mean, it's been a great trip, like good weather. I mean,
very nice weather.
Yeah.
Super surprising that we're in the middle of December.
Super great trip overall. So Brandon and I had a great time going out, meeting new people. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna keep trucking on home, and we'll check up.
Thanks for hanging with us. Later. All right, Zach. We had a good trip.
Yeah, made it home. Not too bad time, 9 o'clock. Got a load here, so yeah, fun times, man.
All right, good. Well, I'll see you at work tomorrow.
Yep, take it easy.